Well guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, as you can see, there's a big space. As you can see, there's a big space because we started selling them today. We sold around 30 pieces today, and we are having some orders for tomorrow. Right now we just want to go in, clean their drinkers, put more feeds so that they can feed overnight as we wait for tomorrow. So just hang around, let me show you how you are going to do it. Remember guys, each section has got its own footwear. So for the other room, I'll be using these ones. Apart from having that foot bath, you have the footwears. So I'll be taking those footwears. Then as I go in, just watch. Really sensitive, you need to be careful. We are giving them enough water. As you can see, there is more water, but we need to remove them, wash the containers for the drinkers. We put another water, another clean water, no medication, just clean drinkable water. Make sure you are careful. These guys are really friendly. If you are not careful, you step on them. So remember guys, you are not worried. You don't need to give them more than enough water. You can always give them another new set. So that's why I told you, for broilers, you need a good supply of clean water. So now that they have removed the drinkers, I just go straight. We're going to wash them out there. So maybe you will not be able to see because of the light, but let me just stop it there and let me wash, and then I come back. So the drinkers are ready. Let's put them back. I'll do 2 at a time. I'll take these two. There we go. Now we are done with water. The only thing remaining is to feed them feeds. Then lower the feeders down. So guys, I know you are wondering how consistent they are really in the market. So this is just one of our farm. Although this is the main farm, but we have another farm somewhere else with a capacity of 400 birds. It's a 2-section, so we can do 200, that is 400 birds. So that's why most of the time, if you don't have birds in this section, then the other side, like last week we were selling the other side, so this week we are here. Next week, the next 2 weeks we'll be starting these ones, and the other side will be ready. So that's how we manage ourselves for our customers. We keep them busy. From here they go to the other side, and from the other side they come back here. So if you are wondering we are not consistent, our consistency lies with 2 farms. Like we have other support group, people that we train, so they are also part of our cycle. Whenever we don't have, we can send our orders to them. So that's how we operate. So next thing we are going to do is to give them feeds, then we call it a day. But before that, we have to do our record. We have to keep our records. Whatever we have done in here, we have to record. We've washed the breakers, added the feeds, so we'll have to record that, all that. So guys, please kindly like, share, subscribe our channel, and continue to support our channel by subscribing. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.